In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Google Chrome as your default browser. Whether you've just installed it or you notice that another browser has sneaked in to become the default, I'll walk you through some simple steps to ensure Google Chrome is the browser that opens whenever you click a web link. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. This might seem obvious, but it's an essential first step. You'll need the browser up and running to access the settings we're about to adjust. Once you have Chrome open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll find three dots arranged vertically. This is your gateway to more options within Chrome. Clicking on these three dots will open a drop-down menu filled with a variety of settings and features. From this drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new tab filled with all the different settings you can customize in Chrome. Here, the focus will be on ensuring Chrome is set as your default browser. Within the settings, look for an option labeled Default Browser. Click on it and here you may see whether Chrome is already your default browser. If it's not currently the default, there should be a button or prompt to make it the default. Click this and save any changes if prompted. Now, let's address a scenario where this option is grayed out, or where Chrome still isn't acting as your default after checking in browser. This typically means you might need to adjust settings at the device level. To do this, open your device's settings app. The exact steps might vary slightly depending on whether you're on Windows, Mac, or another operating system, but the general procedure is quite similar. In your device settings, navigate to the section titled Apps. Once there, search for Default Apps, which is a dedicated area in most operating systems where you can specify which programs you'd like to use for certain tasks. Within the default apps section, you should see a list of various categories such as email, maps, music player, and web browser. Under the web browser category, if Chrome isn't already selected, you should see a button to set it as the default. Sometimes you may need to click on the current default app to bring up other options where Chrome should be available for selection. Finally, after selecting Chrome, confirm this change. Your computer may ask for confirmation or require you to agree to any changes. Once you've completed these steps, links should now normally open in Chrome by default, providing you with a seamless browsing experience. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully ensured that Google Chrome is kept as your default browser. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.